in many states, they say if you're not a medical practitioner, you cannot own a medical practice. In my younger years, I had a problem with authority. Regulatory bodies, legal parameters, residency director, they're all in the same category, just trying to get in my way. But I learned about something called corporate practice of medicine. If you're familiar with what that is, it's in many states they say if you're not a medical practitioner, you cannot own a medical practice. Some people might say, well, that kind of sucks, free market, capitalism, why can't we do that? Being in this work, I'm not saying that it's impossible to be able to do that if you're not a medical practitioner, but loop somebody in who has their ear to the street, who is on the front lines, who can guide all of the systems and structures that you're building from a place of patient comes first, from a place of safety. DEA and FDA marketing laws. I've become an expert in this as well. And they say things like you can't market a controlled substance for peak performance or for relaxation or meditation. It was not FDA approved for that reason. And at first, it just makes you feel resistant. We know that this helps with relationship bonding. We know that this helps with overcoming trauma. But if I put an ad up that says ketamine therapy for PTSD, they'll take my license away. The reason that this is important and we need to adhere to this regulation is it's a slippery slope. If we just start letting everybody preach this medicine is good for that and that medicine is good for this with no limitations and no regulation, well then we're going back to the quackery of my industry many years ago.